This looks a lot better than my P30 Pro. A little smaller. The camera looks okay. Mine's a little bit bigger and has a curved screen. Its thickness is a little bit thicker. Got a P20 Pro. Battery is swollen on this. It's already swollen. So it's trying to come out of the housing itself. It's trying to come out. So I'm gonna replace the battery on this. This is the one I'll be placing on it. So yeah, I'll show you how I do this. First we'll have to open this up. So it's got a glass, so be careful with this. It might break. Other than that, you don't need to worry about it. So just quickly cut open this glue very slowly. Okay. So once that bit is done, squeeze a plastic bit and slowly pry it open like this. Do it from the other side. It's difficult from that side. So this bit is already open. So I'm gonna apply some heat and it's gonna take it out easily. So I'm gonna be needing these as I pry it open. Then I'm gonna apply some heat. So let's start with the heat. So this one, as you apply heat, since this is already pushing out the back case, it's gonna open up very slowly. Try not to force it out. So it's coming out easily on the other side, on this side. Try not to force it out. I don't want to break it. This is about open now. It's got a flex there, so be careful with that. I just turned it on. Remove the screws. So let's begin. Okay, finally out. Look at the battery. And look at how badly this is swollen. See. Look at the size of this. Size of this and this. Compare the size of them. Oh well. Let's put this one in. And this is okay for the glue. I'm gonna put another glue as well. Okay, let's just quickly test this, if it's working or not. Let's just connect this first, and then I'll connect the battery. And it's also to see if it's working or not. So yeah, let's see if this is charging or not. Okay, so this is all good. I'm gonna put this back now and cover it up. Just remove all of these and put it back on that one. See, it's quite easy to do this. Just be careful while moving the battery, because sometimes if we puncture the battery, it's smoke comes out from there, so it's kind of dangerous, so try to be careful while plugging the battery out. Other than that, there's no need to worry. So this is all plugged in. I'm gonna put this back in now, and while putting this I'll have to clean the cameras. Sometimes they tend to get dirty and the pictures doesn't come up so nice, so it's a good practice to clean it up later on once you finish everything. So all the screws goes in now. Why do they have so many screws? I don't understand. Anyway, let's put everything back in and it's ready to go. Okay, let me just quickly wipe the cameras and then it's good to pack it up. How do I put this back? Maybe I'll just put some glue over it. Yeah, I better do it that way. I don't want to put any double-sided tape on it. I'm just gonna put this glue. Okay, this is all done. This looks a lot better than my P30 Pro. A little smaller. The camera looks okay. Mine's a little bit bigger and has a curved screen. Its thickness is a little bit thicker as well. Yeah, not a huge difference. Just finger scan is here. This one has a different, and the screen to body ratio is a lot smaller than mine. And mine has big screen. So this is all done. I hope you enjoyed it. Everybody's got a different way to do these kind of things, and I do it this way. I hope you learned something from it. If you did learn something, do like and hit subscribe button. And if there's any suggestions or any improvements that I should implement, do comment on the comment button. I'll be very thankful for that. Thank you very much and have a good day.